If you want to edit the cover thumbnail in CapCut PC, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it step by step. This is super useful if you want your video to look more professional, improve click-through rate, or create a thumbnail that matches your content better. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to open the cover editor, choose an image from your video or upload a custom design, edit it in CapCut, and export everything properly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Once your timeline is visible, move your mouse to the very beginning of your video track. Right there, you should see the square cover icon next to the track controls like lock and hide. Click that cover icon to open the cover editor. This is where CapCut lets you set the thumbnail or cover image for your video. Now you have two main ways to choose your cover. The first option is to use a frame from your own video. If you want to do that, drag the timeline slider inside the pop-up window until you find the exact frame you want to use. This is a great option if there's a clean, sharp, or eye-catching moment in the video that works well as a thumbnail. Just keep adjusting the slider until the preview looks right. The second option is to upload a custom image from your computer. If you already made a thumbnail in another app or you have a branded graphic you want to use, click Upload. In some versions, you may see Replace first and then select from computer. Either way, choose the image file saved on your PC and import it into CapCut. Once the image loads, you can start customizing it. Click the blue edit button to open CapCut's dedicated design workshop window. This gives you more control over the thumbnail layout and lets you make the design look more polished. On the left sidebar, you'll usually see the templates tab. From there, you can pick a pre-designed layout if you want a faster starting point. This is helpful if you don't want to build the whole thumbnail from scratch. After choosing a layout, you can double-click on any text element to edit it. Change the words so they match your video topic, then adjust the font, color, size, and placement so everything is easy to read and visually balanced. If needed, you can also move elements around to make the cover look cleaner and more professional. Take your time here, because a good thumbnail can make a big difference in how many people click your video. Once you're happy with the design, click Save in the bottom right corner to lock in your changes. This step is important because it confirms your cover thumbnail and applies the design to your project. After that, you're ready for the final export check. Click the main export button in the top right corner of CapCut. Let the export process finish completely. When it's done, go to your local destination folder and you should find your exported video file sitting right next to a standalone cover thumbnail file. That means CapCut saved both your video and your cover correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit the cover thumbnail in CapCut PC, whether you want to use a frame from the video or upload a custom thumbnail from your computer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.